Neighbor Legal Services is the largest provider of civil legal aid in southwestern Pennsylvania. We've been around for over 40 years, and we have helped more than 1 million individuals and families during that period of time. In 1980, we used to have approximately 75 lawyers in Allegheny, Beaver, Butler, and Lawrence counties, and now we have half of that amount. In the meantime, the poverty population has increased dramatically, as has the elderly population. The net result is fewer people being able to be served, even with the call upon private lawyers to do pro bono work. Neighborhood Legal Services has really tried to become very efficient in what we do and very responsive to what the needs are. We go through a very extensive priority setting process, assisted by community leaders, clients, and our board to determine what kinds of cases we should handle as our first priority. We're finding a different set of clients now because of the economics. We're finding folks who thought they would never need lawyers suddenly finding themselves in danger of losing their homes. They've lost their jobs, they've lost benefits, and I think that this has created a spillover effect with other problems that carry over into the house. We see a rise in domestic violence, and again, it's a very taxing time for us at Legal Services with fewer lawyers and more clients asking for our help. We have a staff that is incredibly dedicated. They're experienced, they're experts in public interest law and poverty law. The average lawyer has been at NLSA for more than 20 years. The Legal Services Corporation, in its charter days, decided that all programs receiving the federal funding would have 1/3 of the board comprised of eligible clients eligible for our services. That was a good thing. Our clients really have helped educate our lawyer members. They've helped us see where we should be putting our resources, and they have been great champions in the communities. We look to the private bar to tie into their profession, to embrace the fact that access to justice is something that every lawyer should strive for and every lawyer should work for. Bar associations play a critical role in closing the gap of the unmet needs. They have the ability to set policy, to encourage lawyers to give of their time, to financially support public interest organizations. They can educate lawyers about the need. They can establish programs, as they have in Allegheny County, for loan forgiveness to assist young lawyers in being able to work at public service agencies. They have the ability to reach all of the lawyers in the county, and our Bar Association, fortunately, is very, very supportive of our mission and our work. Law schools have a key role in promoting the idea of pro bono work being part of the profession, both in terms of service and in terms of supporting the organizations financially. Their education is where it should start in terms of telling students of the unique role we have as lawyers giving back to the profession. The law is a wonderful profession. It is something that we have as a tool to help our society, and lawyers giving of their time and of their money to make sure that the system works, that there is equality, that there is justice, is something that we all should strive for, we should all do, and it'll help us sleep better at night.